Everybody, this is the #1 record this week. We're going to just let it gently rock us into our exercise half hour. Feel the way it sways. Just let it take you from side to side. Come through, Gary. Why not join us? Plenty of room. Make a space for Gary in our wake-up circle. That's it. That's lovely. Now, everybody hold hands. Pauline!
Hold out and do like I do when I need you. So just close my eyes and I'm with you.
I've got her! It's over here! I've got her! It's okay, I've got you now. You're lowering you down. You're going to be fine. It's okay, you got her? You got her. Just a little bit further. Little bit further.
We're the Sex Pistols and our singer don't like to hear himself sing.
It's understandable, really.
I don't like hearing none of yours. You can't fucking play.
Yeah, so what? Get a haircut, you dirty hippie. Think, John.
Yeah, encore. Encore. Encore.
I always wanted to see this band, but I regret to inform you, ladies and gentlemen, that they are shit!
Words to put together.
Just pick someone else.
Chuck it on a page. That'd be fucking amazing.
Why don't you pick a decent
Look at
band
that.
then?
At least I picked the band and not a fucking word, mate. Can't say I love all of that spitting, but we're getting better, ain't we?
A little. You need originals.
Tell that to our rotten tooth genius. The only time that little fucker runs out of words is when we're trying to write songs. Speaking of songs, do you want to come back to mine?
Why would I want to do that?
Oh, we never finished Starman.
I think we did.
We didn't do the bridge.
There's no bridge in Starman.
There is when I do it.
I'm meeting Nick.
quiet. He's not even in a band.
Gracie!
True. He has got impeccable timing. Good night, Jonesy.
Where are we going? Where are we going now?
Those monitors.
Nobody likes hearing themselves for the first time.
Do I always sound like that?
No! So normally you're much more out of tune than that. Oh, stay there, stay there.
You're having fun tonight. I could see you up the front, jumping up and down.
He's amazing.
Look, singers are all ponces. It's the guitarist what does all the grunt work, if you know what I mean.
I think he's dead clever. All those sad, angry stories.
They're all covers. He didn't write them.
But he sang them like he did.
I played them like I did and all. I like to play. I've been told me fingering is quite magnificent.
You want to see what's in my bag, don't you?
Not really.
Good. Because I'm not going to show you.
Right. Rotten Ismore, your type. You're a nice night, love, all right?
You too, bub. Take care.
John!
Yeah, Neil Spencer, enemy.
Oh, the enemy. You can say that again.
Tell your readers that it was unhygienic but glorious. Ah, our guitarist, Steve Jones.
Right, so what do you want to say with your music?
Oh, no, actually, we're not into music. We're into chaos.
Yeah, that's good.
Say I said it. He don't read the enemy. Too many long words.
Oh, one other thing to mention is that our only original was written by me.
Half-witten, in reference to his art.
Our wordsmith is all handle, no hammer.
Can I quote that?
No, you fucking can't. The problem is that the other morons can't write music worthy of my lyrics.
Right, and how long's the band been together?
4 months.
Seems more.
Right, well, I predict you'll have a very long and happy future. No.
Thank you. Thanks so much for coming.
Funny having a go about me like that in front of other people.
Do you have a press pass or anything for that?
No, I'm a student. I just filmed it because I liked it.
Well, I'm not happy. I should confiscate them.
No, it belongs to the film school. Look, I'm not trying to make money or anything. It's just I've never seen anything like this before. You know, the Sex Pistols, man, they're like the only thing happening in London right now. I want to capture it.
Wait! Fuck! There goes my ride.
I remember. Starman does have a bridge.
They say I'm different 'cause I'm a piece of sugar cane. Sweet to the core, that's right, I got a rhythm. My great-grandma didn't like a foxtrot. Now instead she spit, it's nothing boogie jam or jam. Spit on. They say I'm different 'cause I eat chitlins. I can't help it, I was born and raised on them. That's right, every morning after slop the hogs and they be getting off, humping the jolly hooker.
Bored yet?
I
You said as soon as you have sex, you get bored.
said as soon as feelings are involved, we get bored. I'm not bored. As long as we keep it about the music.
Good. Because I'm gonna go.
All right, then.
Me, 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 me.
Let's try again.
I don't want to sing like that.
We don't want him sounding like Mario Lanza.
What do you want to sound like?
Well, I mean, I was thinking of a kind of Bowie-ish, Elvis Presley sort of sound with maybe a dash of Alice Cooper.
Shut up, Malcolm.
Perhaps it might be best if you waited outside.
No, John...
Wait outside or I'll shove Beethoven's head up your ass.
OK. Now, I'll just...
Out!
When I was young, I wanted to sing like Maria Callas. She's an opera singer.
I know who Callas is. Greek. One of the greatest. Bit of a diva.
I'm impressed.
Why? Because I look like a shabby little moron who don't know a treble clef from a cleft palate?
Not at all.
I don't, by the way.
No need to.
You're going to tell me that after wasting your youth trying to be UK Callas, you finally realised that the only person you could be was you. And that realisation brought you true happiness, etc., etc.
Bugger. You've guessed my best trick.
Thank you. But that sentiment is of no use to me. Last night I was myself. But hearing myself was a bloody nightmare.
If you don't want to sing, then don't. Performing's not for everyone. Perhaps it's not for you.
I'm a road, honey. Beep, beep.
I'm thinking I need to start being more confrontational with the customers.
Yeah, all right, that's lovely.
If we're not careful, this place could become a shop. And then really, what's the point? Who are those for?
They're for me, my dear.
How and where are they to be worn?
Well, that's rather private.
I don't think so. This is not a fetish shop. These knickers are the spark plugs of a revolution.
How thrilling.
The proprietors of this establishment are very influenced by William Reich's theories about mass psychology and fascism.
Ah, that explains a lot.
Reich says that fascism is caused by sexual repression.
I honestly could not agree more.
If we don't start talking about sex more, don't stop being so repressed, we're going to end up with a dictator. Isn't that right, Vivian?
We live to proclaim, not to shame.
Sadly, I'm not in a position to proclaim.
Then I can't sell them to you. Can I, Vivian?
Well, I mean, we can always make an exception. Are we going to be on the news?
In a fashion, yes.
News? What? Oh! That's who you are. That's who he is. You are him, aren't you?
And now it's good night from me, Reginald Bosanquet. Thank you for watching the news at 10. If I'm wearing these under my suit tonight, I'll give you a wink. Like this. Just for you. That be all right?
Oh, that's lovely. Isn't that lovely? There's no returns on the underwear, okay?
Perish the thought, but not the robber.
Isn't he lovely? Is there a review? What's it say then?
Oh, I'm just reading the small ads. Do you know it's still possible to buy loom pants? Who is doing that? We should get ourselves a pack of hounds and hunt them down.
Look at this one. Got a big bag. Definitely a dipper. I'll cover the door.
I hear that Sex the Shop is where one can find Sex the Pistols. Johnny, the Marquis, I saw him singing and spitting. It was wonderful. I was wondering if you had his address.
I'm sorry, we don't give out that kind of information.
Please open your bag.
But I don't want to do that.
I'm afraid you have no choice.
No choice?
No.
Oh, that's right.
Please open your bag.
Get away from me!
All right.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
It's all right. Let's get you into this chair.
Water. I'm sorry.
It's fine. You're all right. This is my shop. May I be of some assistance, madam?
That's lovely, thank you. So kind.
What kind of assistance would you like?
Oh, where do I start? I need so much assistance. Every kind, really.
I will need to look in your bag, though.
You're nice. So I don't mind. Get out! I don't want to get out because I do really like it here. Get out! Get out! Get out! Okay. I can see you really. Get the bag! Get the bag out of here now! Go! Next time, eh, Bab? Get her out!
What's it say?
Typical enemy nonsense.
Yeah, so stuck up. Read it out.
Why?
Our first review. It'd be nice for us to all hear it out loud together.
Not your nursery school teacher.
Sorry, I thought you were, seeing as you dress exactly like her.
Read it yourself.
Yeah. Typical enemy. Not worth reading, to be honest. No.
Except for that last bit.
Yeah, Malcolm's gonna love that.
Yeah.
Which bit again?
The last bit?
Oh, finally.
Now we can rehearse.
Have you read it?
Not interested.
Oh, I bet he's read it. I bet he's bought up every copy in Finsbury Park and wallpapered his room.
What do you want to be, Glenn?
What?
I know what I want to be. I want to be in a band where the geezer what writes the words writes some. Lazy Sod might be a bit simple, but it's better than fuck all, which is all you've come up with.
How am I supposed to be inspired when my collaborators are a mummy's boy, a pleaser, and a moron?
How about I fix your teeth with my guitar? Maybe that will inspire you.
Yeah, where's all this come from?
Where enemy's gone to his head.
I have not read it!
Liar!
Ow!
What the fuck? My favourite mug.
We should get another singer.
Steve, can I have a word?
I'm leaving.
Well, I doubt we'll get much done today anyway.
No, leaving the band. For good.
Don't be daft.
You can barely play.
I'm getting better.
Yeah, but like John, guy's a madman. Malcolm, it's Malcolm. Waste of time.
Yeah, we're gonna be good.
Don't have any songs, Steve. We're a covers band. Got an apprenticeship, got a chance.
Oh. Yeah, you're 9 to 5, 8 to 4, whatever the fuck it is. Wage slave.
Fuck off.
Is that what you want? Married. 4 screaming kids before you can blink twice. You're just another boring, defeated old cunt. Sipping pints at the pub with that look in his eye. Oh, I wonder where my life went.
My mum and dad are good people. They've got good lives. You know that.
I'm not saying they're not.
I know you haven't had none of that. I'm sorry. I've got to do what's right for me. I'm done.
I'll get it.
Well done.
Mum.
I need to see Malcolm.
There was a girl in the shop looking for you.
I don't care.
You will.
Tell Malcolm that I'm seriously considering leaving the band.
Good.
You don't even care, do you?
You think I should?
I wouldn't expect it. That's exactly like you people. Why are you printing swastikas with your children?
Ben knows, don't you?
Mum and Malcolm want to not only reject the values of the older generation, but also their,
Taboos?
Yeah, taboos. Everything's anti. That means opposite.
Thank you.
Jesus is upside down, and I chose pink for this swastika because the Nazis hated homosexuals, and they made them wear pink triangles. Nazis would hate their swastika being pink.
Many millions of Jews might hate a shirt with a swastika on it.
Possibly. But Malcolm's Jewish, and it was his idea. Do you know why nothing ever changes? It's because people's minds are too imprisoned by lies, fear, and a misguided respect for the very institutions that have exploited them for centuries. I want to destroy all that, so that out of the chaos, the future can emerge. We don't hate Jews or gays or Christians. We don't hate anyone, do we?
No. Except for Nazis.
And racists and fascists in general. And people who are too boring or scared to stand up and say what they mean. Goodbye, John.
How's that for a melody?
Was that last chord a B suspended seventh of an augmented E?
Don't be ridiculous. Just an E on the bass over.
Oh, Jesus! Glenn! We're not in a Paul fucking McCartney fucking tribute band!
It's a great melody!
If you're a pensioner! What are chords?
C suspended second.
C! Right? But played like a punch in the face. Next.
F major 7
F.
suspended second. Yes, that's
F. Right? Played like a kick in the guts.
E on the bass, over and
E!
over C.
Played like a fucking Sex Pistol.
Give me a tune. Give me a tune, and I'll give you words.
Paul's leaving the Sex Pistols.
Hey? Oh. Does this mean we get the kit back in the bedroom?
No, I'll just sell it.
Okay. Okay.
I thought we'd be happy.
I am. Whatever makes you happy.
Come to get me kit. Dad's outside in the van. We just wrote a song. It's great. Have a listen. Did listen.
It's horrible.
Don't worry. We'll easily find another drummer.
You're playing it too fast.
It's about chaos and destruction. It has to be fast.
Yeah, the only thing you're destroying is my ears. You sound like the Ramones on pills. Your lyrics might be quite good, John. But what's the point if no one can hear them? Look, if you're gonna do it, think reggae. It drives, but it doesn't give it all away. Oh yeah, and it is the music of the disenfranchised, in case you hadn't noticed.
Fuck off! I turned you on to reggae.
All right, John.
Would someone get him out of here?
Rock and roll is, to a certain extent, political. And whether you can play is not the criteria. The music is only a launching pad. The criteria is whether you got something to say.
Oh, shit.
Oi, I thought the point to put me in a band was to keep me out of prison.
The point is to get up and say something, to threaten. The minute you stop threatening, you stop being Sex Pistol.
We'll always have you to threaten, old fearless mouthpiece.
True, but I think it's far more interesting for you to threaten people who can threaten you back.
I'll go to the filming here. Put that away. You get ready in here, gentlemen.
Well, look at this bunch of fucking benders. Fucking faggots!
Lundy!
You fucking freak! Boy, fuck off! Fucking lady! You fucking cunt! What's your asses, lads?
Her Majesty sends her regards.
Fuck off, you little queer!
Who's coming to the pub after this?
I
heartwarming story that was. And now it's good night from me, Reginald Bosanquet and Gordon Honeycomb, with all the news that's fit to hear at 10.
I can't stand the rain against my window. Bringing back sweet memories. Hey, window pane. That really is a great line.
What is?
One in the review. It's a manifesto. That quote is worth more than a 5-star front page write-up.
Yeah, right. Which quote?
There's only one quote in it.
Why don't you read it to me?
Read it yourself, you lazy sod.
Okay, it's enough.
What? What did I do? Steve. I straight away sighted a chair flying through the air. I thought, they can't be that bad, can they? Then I saw that the person who threw the chair was the singer.
That did happen.
No one asked for an encore, but they did one anyway. You can't play, heckled one punter. So what, said the bass player. One of the band said to me afterwards, actually, we're not into music, we're into chaos.
One of the band?
Yeah, John, I guess. He said, listen, we're not into music. We are into chaos. That's killer. And he's a genius.
John didn't say that, I did. Does it say he said it?
No, just one of the band.
That'd be your boyfriend's doing.
Nick did not write this. Just so you know, it's all pretty casual. Wouldn't call him my boyfriend.
And why'd you say he was?
To get rid of you.
Didn't work though, did it?
Not yet.
You said I was a genius, by the way. Whoever said that line? It was genius, you said.
Steve,
Yeah.
will you marry me?
What do you mean?
Come on. You don't have the biggest vocabulary in the world. But you do know what married means. Marry me.
Well, we
Look at your face. Oh, but sir, it's all so sudden. You don't? Oh, come on. You know I'm joking, right?
Of course I do. I'm not sick.
No, I mean, I do want you to marry me. It's for my visa. I'm gonna be kicked out of this country if I don't get married, and I'm not leaving London until I've conquered London. You wanna help me conquer London, don't you, Steve?
Yeah. I'll help you with that. Why me? Why don't you marry Nick?
Because then I'd be married to Nick. Whereas this way, it won't mean anything.
That's what they all say.
It's not that kind of wedding. Why is everyone making such a big deal out of this?
It's not enough to disrespect the institution of marriage. You have to demonstrate that you disrespect the institution of marriage. Just let me see.
What is it, a fishing net? I feel like a kipper.
It's good. It's very good. Oh, pet. The bride and groom.
How long will it be till we can get a divorce?
I don't know. Sorry, I'll check. In case you want to marry someone else.
No, I won't. I just don't want to be cheating on you all the time.
Yeah, it's okay, Jonesy. I'll give you a marriage long pass. I'm getting married. I remember looking at my parents' wedding photos and thinking how old they looked. The weird dress and Pops in a suit like he never wore. I swore I would never do that. Here I am. Even though it's fake, it kind of feels like a thing, you know?
Not really. My dad didn't stick around. Never married my mum. So, no photos.
No, why are we stopping?
Meeting Cookie.
Why?
Well, we need witnesses, don't we, for it to be legal? Here you go, you jump out, I'll park it round the back. This is Jonesy.
Is there going to be cake?
I'm the best man. I'm recording it for posterity.
This is not that kind of wedding.
Hi, Pat. How's the fingering going?
Hello, Looney Tunes.
I know you. You're like me. You're scared all the time, aren't you?
Scared? I'm not scared. I'm getting fucking married.
But you're still looking me up and down, wondering if you could do me.
So what?
You're always looking for somewhere to hide. That's what I do. There's all sorts of ways to hide. No, by the way, you can't do me. I could do you, though. Wait. It's my turn, really. To do someone. Do as you would be done by. All that.
Oh, there she is. My lovely little vegetable. What game should we play tonight?
What game are we gonna play? Open wide. Wider.
I'm lucky. Having fun, Jonesy. We're telling Chrissy.
I came to offer
It's not that kind of wedding.
my condolences. You have been jilted. He's otherwise engaged with another woman.
What?
I just saw him. He's not coming. Not in that sense, anyway.
That little fucker. He couldn't keep in his pants for more than 15 seconds, could he?
That's our Jonesy. But never fear. Chrissy! Will you marry me? Please?
Fuck, fine, yes. Can we just...
She said yes!
I've had enough now. Thank you very much. It's John?
What the fuck?
I need to speak to Johnny.
The bell's covered in gold! The bride is revolting, and Sid's Willie's moulding.
Oh. Are you trying to steal from me? You must have had a shock. Who are you? See?
What are you doing? What are you?
What are we all? We're the bad babies that were left when the good ones were taken.
What do you mean? What'd you say that for? What'd you say that for? What'd you say that for? Who the fuck are you? What'd you say that for?
We're losing good, baby, and all we'll be left with is rubbish, you.
What are you looking at?
Ding dong, the bell's covered in slime. I'm marrying a Yankee. There's snot all in my hanky. So get me a chance.
Really is my happy day.
What's going on?
Oh, I'm getting married, Nick.
What the fuck?
It's purely for visa purposes.
You can marry me for visa purposes.
You didn't propose, man.
He didn't, really, did
I suppose he went down on one knee and sent you flowers, did he?
Who?
Jones. Are you shagging Jones?
I'm not marrying Steve.
You lying bitch!
That's not right. Not on her happy day.
She's marrying me. I did go down on one knee, and there were flowers.
Right. Well, you could have at least told me.
Why?
I'm your boyfriend.
Are you?
Yes! God, you are a cold-hearted bitch.
He's very cross.
Okay, enough! This should be so simple. Why does everything in London have to involve pubs and insults and so much fucking confrontation?
Confrontation produces truth, which is why I'm afraid I have to leave you here.
What? Why?
This confrontation has revealed that there are real emotions here. Never play with people's emotions. Sort them out.
John.
Come and kiss me. Tell me that you miss me.
Right. Now I'm free. Shall we get married? How surprising. I don't care who you fuck, Steve. When I say I don't care, I really don't care. I thought we were friends, but you humiliated me on my fake wedding day. My fucking happy day. And even though it was fake, I wanted to fake it with you. You're screwed up. I get that. And I'm sorry. I don't want to see you anymore. By the way, your guitar is out of tune.
I've been avoiding you.
A lot of people do that.
What have you written on your shirt?
Do you like it?
When they spat at me, I spat back. That's good. Strong. No wonder everyone's scared of you.
That's not why they're scared of me. They're scared of this. You don't have to look if you don't want to.
Come in then.
What have you got?
What have you got?
Truth. She was a girl from Birmingham.
I'm a no one.
Everyone's a no one. That's not special.
I'm an animal. I'm a bloody disgrace.
Her name was Pauline. She lived in a tree.
Where the fuck did that come from?
Steve knows. Don't you, Steve?
I killed my baby.
Why?
I had no choice. He made me pregnant. Then he made me kill her. Get rid of it, as he put it. But I got her back. I saw where they put her and I got her back. She's in here. I feel a bit better now. I told someone the whole story. I might leave her behind now.
Not here, you won't. Fuck! This is my mum's kitchen. Give her a decent burial somewhere, at least.
Oh, yeah? That's a good idea. Thanks for the tea. Can I,
Wait.
They got powerful.
something for you.
That song, Bodies. It's good. It's powerful.
It's all John. I didn't want to hear her story.
You did hear her. She's in the music.
It's about the only thing I'm halfway good at. Do you think that we might ever, you know, play again? Music, I mean.
I don't know. Stranger Things, you know?
Yeah. It's like the other day. I found this whole different live version of Starman.
You're an idiot, Jonesy.
I know. You want to hear it? You just let me know.